Sarasota County Schools is more than just a place of learning. It's a community, a team, focused on creating bright futures for all students. For high school seniors, there's a unique opportunity to explore career pathways within the school district through the Building a Bridge for Hire program.
It's an opportunity for them to come out of school for a day, go into any aspect of the school district they might be interested in, explore what that career might be like, and then spend time with the individuals that are in that career field to see if that might be a fit for them.
Through job shadowing, students gain real-world experience and insight into careers they may not have considered, all while staying connected to their school community.
The Build a Bridge for Hire, I thought I'd consider it, so it was kind of just a field trip. But I went to Alta Vista and I shadowed under the manager there. Seeing the job, it was familiar actually because I was in the culinary program at STC. So it just reminded me, it was a lot of like what I was doing in class there. And so I realized if it was the same, maybe that might be something good for me, something I was familiar with.
Whether it's helping students find their passion or guiding them toward their future careers, the Building a Bridge for Hire program is here to connect students with opportunity.
The Building a Bridge for Hire really impacted my decision to work here. I do want to eventually go to college, but for now, I like working here and I continue to work here for at least a couple years and maybe return afterwards.
I think the school district is a wonderful opportunity for students who are graduating high school because we have a host of jobs that I think most people don't really pay attention to, from being a cook in our food service department to be a food service manager, our IT department. Everything from programming to cybersecurity, mechanic in our garage, HVAC technician, plumber, trades helper, custodian. Really almost every job that you could find in our local community is probably a job that we have here in the school district.
There you go. Do you want ketchup?
I think the school district is a phenomenal option for anybody graduating high school, either as part-time or full-time, in terms of that next step.
Look for sign-up opportunities for the Building a Bridge for Hire event this spring for senior students.
I think participating in the Building a Bridge for Hire program would be really good. You're not losing anything from it, and it's a good experience.